Morning dear students, today we will do exercise 5.1. But before we start with the 5.1, let's find out what do you mean by common multiples. What are common multiples? When we multiply two numbers, so the multiple obtained is common to both those numbers, both of the numbers. Like 5 into 2 is equal to 10. It is multiple of both 5 and 2. How? 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So it is a common multiple of both the numbers. Let's take a few more examples. 6 into 5 is equal to 13. 5 into 6 is equal to 13. So it is common to both the numbers. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. Similarly, 9 into 8 is equal to 72. So we can see that these multiples are common to both the numbers with which they are multiplied. So let's take another example. Multiple of 6, 12, 18, 24. Then multiple of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. See, 24 is common to both the numbers. So 24 is multiple of 6 as well as 3. 3 का भी multiple है और 6 का भी. So 24 is the common multiple of 6 and 3. So now let's start with the exercise. Here we have first question is write first 10 multiples of 9. So what you have to do is, so you have to count the table of 9 up till 10. Up till 9 tens are 90. So 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, so on up till 9 10s are 90. Okay, you have to do it like this. Similarly, question number 2, write first 5 multiples of 12. Here you have to count the table of 12 up till 5. 12 1 is 12, 12 2s are 24, so on up till 12 5s are. Write first 6 multiples of 14. You know the table of 14, right? So you have to write the table of 14 up till 14 6 hours. Okay, so these you have to do on your own. I have told you how to do them. Now let's move to fill in the blanks. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. So 28 is the multiple of, किस multiple is 28? 7 and 4. So we can say that it is multiple of 24 is the multiple of 7 and 7 and 4. Dash is a multiple of every number. What is the number which is multiple of all the numbers? 1. 1 and 0 are the multiple of all the numbers. Any non-zero number has dash multiples. How many multiples a non-zero number can have? It can have infinite multiples. Infinite से आपका क्या मतलब है? N number of. You cannot count up till that number. It can have the multiples. उसका table आप जितना पढ़ते जाएंगे, that will become the multiple of that number. Okay? Is it clear to all? Now let's move to question number 5. So here we have write the multiples of 5 that are greater than 20 but less than 50. Here we have to write the multiples of 5 which are greater than 20. So 5 का table हमें पढ़ना है and we'll see कि 20 के बाद कौन से multiples आते हैं. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. You all know the table of 5. So 5 4s are 20. So 20 से बड़े होने चाहिए. So we'll count 5 5s are 25 and 5 10s are कितने होते हैं? 50. 5 10s are कितने होते हैं? 50. So 50 से कम होना चाहिए. So we will count from 5 5s are to 5 9s are. Okay. So here we have 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So these are the multiples of 5 which are greater than 20 but less than 50. Okay, is it clear? So next question is write all the multiples of 15 that are less than 80. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 15 जो कि 80 से कम है. So let's solve this question. 15, 30, we'll count the table of 15 up till the number which is less than 80. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. So after that the number will be greater than 80. So the next number will be 90, which is greater than 80. So we will write up till 75 only. Okay. So next question is write all the multiples of 19 that are 2-digit number. So we have to write the multiples of 19 which are 2-digit numbers. So here again we have to count the table of 19 जहाँ तक कि हमारा जो रिजल्ट आए वो 2 digits में हो. So the numbers will be 19, 38, 57, 76, 95. Then is write the first two. Now we have to do question number 8. Write the first two common multiples of these two numbers. We are given a set of numbers and we have to find the common multiples of both the numbers. Okay students, so first one I have done for you, multiple of 7. So we'll count the table of 7 and here we will write the multiples of 8. So here we have started with 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49 and so on. Then we'll write the multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32. So here we have the first common multiple which is 56, which is common to both the numbers, and then comes the 112. So the first two common multiples are 56 and 112. Let's take one more example. Common multiples of first two common multiples of 5 and 7. Here we will write the multiples of 5 and multiple of 7. So the first two multiples of which are common in both the numbers are 35 and second will be 70. Okay, third one you have to do on your own, part C. Next, question number 9. Write the first three common multiples of the set of numbers. So this one you have to do on your own. Next is question number 10. Is 824 a multiple of 7? So we have to find out if 824 is the multiple of 7. So for finding out if it is a multiple or not, we will divide 824 with 7. So we have 5 as remainder. That means it is not the multiple of 7. अगर यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 होता then it could have been the multiple of 7. Okay, so it is not the multiple of 7. Next question is show that 10,869 is not a multiple of 54. So again we'll solve this with the same method. 10,869 divided by 54. So here it's it is a 2-digit number. So but here first two digits becomes a smaller number which is smaller than the divisor. So we'll take first three numbers. So 54 twos are, so here we will count 5 ka table, we will count 5 twos are 10. So now we'll take 54 twos are 108. It is exactly divisible, so we'll get 0. So here we get 0, so we'll brought down 6, but 6 is less than 54. So what we have to do is we'll write 0 here and we will brought down 69 also, 9 also. So here now the number becomes greater than the divisor. 54 ones are 54. So here we have 15 as remainder. So again that means 10869 is not the multiple of 54. So hope it is clear to all. So please do this exercise in your notebook.